In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deposit or withdraw on Kucoin, a popular cryptocurrency exchange. Whether you're new to crypto or just looking for a refresher, this step-by-step guide will show you exactly what you need to do. Let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to the Kucoin website. Simply open your web browser and enter the URL, kucoin.com. This is the official website where you'll be completing your transactions, so make sure you're on the correct site to avoid any scams or phishing attempts. Once you're on the Kucoin homepage, the next step is to log into your account. Look for the Login button, which is usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it and you'll be prompted to enter your account credentials. Make sure your login details are correct for a seamless experience. If you haven't set up your two-factor authentication yet, it's highly recommended for added security. After logging in, you'll find yourself back on the Kucoin homepage. From here, it's time to access your assets, which is where you'll manage your deposits and withdrawals. Locate the Assets tab on the upper part of the homepage and click on it. This will direct you to your account's asset management page, where you can view all your holdings and transaction history. Now, let's focus on depositing or withdrawing your funds. Within the Assets section, look for the Deposit Withdraw button. Clicking on this will bring up the options for both depositing and withdrawing cryptocurrencies from your account. If you wish to deposit, you'll need to select the specific cryptocurrency you intend to add to your account. Keep an eye out for the unique wallet address given to you, as this is where your funds will be sent. Always double-check this address to prevent any unfortunate errors. On the other hand, if you're looking to withdraw, select the cryptocurrency you want to send out. You'll then need to provide the correct external wallet address you wish your funds to be sent to. Be extra cautious and diligent here. Ensure that the address is accurate, as cryptocurrency transactions are irreversible. It's always a good practice to double-check everything before finalizing the transaction. That wraps up the process of depositing and withdrawing on Kucoin. Remember, cryptocurrency transactions require precision and awareness. Make sure to verify all details before hitting that final confirm button to keep your crypto safe and secure. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful in guiding you through the ins and outs of using Kucoin. For any questions or further assistance, feel free to explore Kucoin's help section or reach out to their support team. Happy trading!